Good morning, my lovely. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unbagging of Biggestcraft. I only have one cross stitch. I got a few items over here. You're gonna see the cross stitch later. Okay. But I wanted to get some of these items because this is a tape that you wrap around your finger. Okay, and this tape has been helping me quite a bit. Okay, and the other one is almost done. One that I bought before, but I don't think I got it from Biggestcraft. I got it from somebody else. But these are very, very helpful. Okay, very helpful. Okay. And I wish they would put like a startup over here. They stretch, and they do a stretch, and you got quite a few over here, and it lasts quite a bit because I have tried them, and I have used them. I have washed my hands. You gotta be careful how you tighten it up in your fingers, but this is very helpful for cross stitch. It helps me a little bit, but I don't how you say it, I use it a lot, but it helps me a little bit regarding the situation with my hands. But I have to use them mostly with my left hand because my needle in the right hand trying to get it stuck. And this is one of those other lipsticks type needle cases, magnetic, and I bought this one, and I'm going to show you. Let me see if I can find the other one. Here is the other tape that I have been using that came out that I bought before, and look at all that what I have used for it, and look at the difference. That tells you that I have used quite a bit. Okay, so it's useful, especially for not sticking the needle in your fingers if you don't like the metal one for it. Okay, this is a magnetic one that closes, and I bought this one for the size 14. I have one for the size 11, but since I don't have that many kit size 11, but look at my size 14, I barely can open it, and so I need to move some of these needles over here. So that's what I got this one from them. This is not that I bought it, this is a promotional item, but these are very good to keep your needles, and if they fall they don't open because it's a magnet one. That's another thing that I like. Now this is something new that I saw in there that apparently is used to keep your whips, you know, your work in progress items, and this is very, very long. My whole arm fits in there, and it helps for me to keep my whip so I can, you know, keep on organizing too. So you put the, and probably it helps you also to keep your whips for the big items, for the big cross stitches. So this is where I'm planning to put my mermaid when I'm trying to finish it for next year, and so I can use the basket that I'm using that had the mermaid and the eagle. So this is a nice item. It's very deep and it's very well I was gonna put it back, but it's very well it's sew on it. It's a plastic thing, but it's sewn on it, and you have this string where you can close it. But it's very good. It's also reinforced on the sides. It's sewn on it on one side though, and here is the other one. I probably get me another one, buy it, because they're very useful to keep your whips. When I get to move this, then I show you some other day how it looks when you put your work in progress in there. So let me move that aside. Now we're gonna go for this one. I have been looking for it, but I never have time because I needed to have more cross stitch kits. But I decided that this time I was gonna pick one, and the rest I was gonna get some and I'm Dream House. It's a stamp, and this is a big one. This is an 11 count. It's a 66 by 51 11 count, meaning that you use 3 flosses, okay? And this is a pretty big one. I like it. I kind of find it goofy and pretty at the same time. Let me get this out of here. Bear with me because my hands doesn't help me. Ooh, that's a big one. I think this is the biggest one that I have. Here it is. Here it is. This has pretty colors. I'm sorry guys, I'm moving the table too much. Here it is. I find it kind of goofy and pretty at the same time. It's called a Dream House. It's a humble house. It's not a mansion. It's, you know, it has a bicycle in the front. It has the what is that? Oh, it has like a picnic. You have some stairs. You have like a little bird house in here, and it has a swing in here, some flag. Look at the cat on the top over here. I'm sorry. The swing, the birdhouse, the ladder, no, the stairs, the ladder, and then some picnic over here. It's a humble house, but it's a dream house, because even if your house is humble, as long as yours, you know how it is. And this one, I like it because this one has the division, which you can go by doing your cross stitch. It takes this way you can focus on trying to go faster. The reason I'm taking so long with my deep autumn is because of my hands. Believe me, it's terrible having this problem, okay? So here are, it's gonna have back stitch, okay? And it has, oh my God, 50 colors, full stitch, 50, and 1 back stitch, and it's color number 40, so it's completely full stitch and some back stitch. It's only 1 color for the back stitch. 33.71. We already know which color is that one. Here's the other section, section 3. Which is this part over here. This is section 6, right? Then you got section 1, section 2, right? And then we got section 4 and 5. And the thing that I'm seeing over here with section 1 to do it is that there's not that much of a confetti. So even though it's a big one, it should not be so hard to do because there's more blocking, you know. Maybe a little bit of confetti over here and maybe a little bit, but it's kind of a small blocking within colors, you know, different colors. So, and this is what I like. I'm looking at this. Look at the cat. What else we got over here? Here is the picnic with a train. You have a truck. You got the bicycle. You got the cat's plate. Right? And then over here, you got the other side of it. And over here, it might be a little bit of confetti, but you have a lot of color blocking. Here is some ornaments for the tree with some flags, and here is the birdhouse. That's neat. I like it. I was watching for it for a long while about this one. So let's take a look at this. Let me move this aside because this is a big one. So I'm gonna pull you back. We're gonna take a look at the colors later. There's 50 of them. Let's look at the 65 by 51. This is a big sucker. Oh, this one has 50 colors, and look at how colorful it is. Look at how you can see over here with these symbols the blocking. Okay, you can see some blocking over here. You can see a little bit of blocking. I know there is confetti over here, but it's just like it's not that much. You can use the half stitch going up and then come back down and then do another one, and there's a lot of blocking in this one, but I love it because it's a dream house. I mean, the numbers are clear, the symbols are very clear with the DMC code on it. There is 50 of them. Okay, and it continues on the side. I'm gonna post a tutorial over here, the one that I started with the bottom and the one that I started with the 4-season windows. So if you haven't tried this out yet, you still have time. I have a Facebook group. The link over is here. Is Beaded cross stitch and stamp cross stitch. Both has to be stamp. Okay, if you're not interested in stamp, we don't do most the ones that we are over there. We don't do, you know, the counter cross stitch. It's too much work, you know. And for myself, I got frustrated with cross stitch because of counter cross stitch. So when I discovered stamp cross stitch, my eyes lit up because I love this craft too. And I wish my hands won't be so bad. That's something that really is getting me sad, depressed, and frustrated because it's hard. You have to use the needle. You have to, you know, hold the needle tight, and I'm having problems with that. So you can imagine. But here it is. The numbers in the fabric are clear, if you can see. The colors are vibrant. Oh boy, I'm loving this cross stitch. I'm loving this one. If it wasn't for my hands, I would have started another one a long time ago, but you know, I just gotta finish what I'm doing, and I gotta finish the mermaid. So this is a pretty big one, and it has pretty colors, and even those has pretty colors in here. Let me get these out because I like it to show them completely. Okay. Let me see. I don't see the needle. Oh, here are the needles. Okay. This is from Joy Sunday. They always come with a needle, 2 needles. Okay. Let me close this so I don't get. I might as well take it out because I put the needle aside. I put it in the new one. Okay, let's take a look at this color because this is one reason why I don't use it like this. I gotta get it out of here in order for me to do this. Okay, so these will serve in one of those 50 caddies that I use. Okay, so here are beautiful colors. They got a spring and fall in here colors. Okay, so let me show you. This is a big one. Have 50 colors and it's a 66 by 51. So let's take a look at this. Look at these beautiful purples. Got all kinds of colors from the rainbow, believe me. Here it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at these colors, fall colors. Because he has a fall look. I'll show you the picture again. This is what I have to keep them up the way I keep them up. I don't like that mess. Take a look at these ones. Beautiful colors. Shiny, shiny, shiny. I love Joy Sunday. Okay, so these are beautiful colors. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a mess again, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Those colors. You got spring and you got fall colors in here. Beautiful. I like it. Well, lovely. This is it for today's unboxing of Stamp Cross Stitch. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to get yourself some of this. Okay? I believe I have a discount code in there. If not, they always in discount. So these are very good for your needles. I like them. And I needed to put the 14. I need to move some of this in here because it's kind of getting jam in there and I don't want that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Again, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.